What are you doing out here with Oda?
I trying to feed her because I want to eat her food.
You're trying to feed him because he's going to eat his food. We need to be careful with the hawks out here, honey.
No. There's no hawk at don't fly, Mom. That's a hawk fly. There's not all of them. They will fly away.
Honey, but the thing is that there's a lot of wild birds out here and they can grab him and take him and eat him.
How am I going to kill them with my balloon?
You're going to kill them with the balloon?
Uh-huh.
Sweetie, it's not that easy. And then plus, you can't be out here with Oda unless Mommy is out here.
Who's being there?
The horses brought Oda over here?
Uh-huh.
How did the horses bring Oda?
Because that way who's going to eat her food. Oda, you may go. Don't put me grab you.